Hey YouTubers, I figured I'd run you through a little tutorial on the Bella Pro series. I just got it. I literally just unboxed it, cleaned it. I'm going to be making some jalapeno poppers. I've got some jalapenos and a mix of goat cheese and cream cheese, and I got some bacon. But I'm just going to run this through to help maybe you out if you've got one and you don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do, and if you're like me, you don't read directions. So let's see what happens. Alright, as you can see, I got my bacon wrapped jalapenos in the basket. This is the 6-quart. And what we're going to do is put this on, and then we'll try to run through how to turn it on. Again, I didn't read the directions, so we're winging it. We'll see what happens. Alright, let's see what happens here. There's a red button. That's easy enough. 370. Yeah, I like that. 15 minutes now. Oh, shit. Alright, so the plus on the right side moves the temp up. It started. I don't want it that hot, though. I want it like 350. 350. Okay, the time's on the left. The heat is on the right. Let's go 20 minutes. There we go. See what happens. Alright, you might be able to hear it running. It makes a little noise. It's not super quiet. But you can smell a little bit of the factory oils coming off. That's no big deal. That's pretty typical with anything new you get. So 350, 20 minutes. We'll check back and see what happens. Alright, we're 10 minutes in. Let's pull it out and see what we got going on here. Alright. Holy Moses. Boy, they're crisping up nice. Alright, well, we'll pop it back in. Alright, comes right back on. Shit, this is easy. Alright, we got about 5 minutes left. The heat is not bad. It's you can touch it. It's warm. But really not bad. Like I said, it makes a little noise, but doesn't smell too bad, and we'll pull these out and see how they look. Alright, I'm going to guess these are done. 16 minutes. Let's hit the power button. That turns it off. Fan's still running, though. Let's just open it up. Boy, these look good. These look really good. Alright, I'm going to pull these off and try these out, and then we'll let it cool down for a while, and we'll see what is underneath that drip pan. We'll see what kind of cleanup we got. Alright, these guys are done. I made a little cherry chipotle sauce with them. Boy, they're crispy, not real oily. I mean, the bacon is done perfectly. Not bad for 16 minutes. Alright, we'll kind of show you what we got going on in the drip pan. There is some oil left over and some cheese. I think I'm just going to clean that up with a paper towel and drain out the oil. I'm going to go right in with some chicken wings. So basically, I pulled that little drip pan out and wiped it off with a paper towel. I do have some oil, but what I do is keep some pickle jars handy. We'll dump that in there, and then we'll use a paper towel to wipe it out, and then we'll go right back in. Alright, test number 2. I cleaned it out in about 5 minutes. Easy to clean. I threw in a whole thing of wings. I'm just going to season these up with some grunt rub. Real simple, and then we'll pop this back in 30 minutes, see what... So the wings, I'm going to run at 370 for 30 minutes. I'll probably check them after 20. And we'll see how they come out. This thing is so easy so far. Alright, we've been going for 17 minutes. Let's pop the tray open and see what we got going on in there. Wow, look at that. I even pile them up. Oh, the steam. Sorry about that. We'll flip these around and keep these going for about another 15 minutes. They're looking good so far, though. Alright, 30 minutes, 370. She just shut down. Let's pop it open and see what we got. Wow, look at those. Going to light. Boy, they're crispy. This thing is great for wings. Don't see a whole lot of grease underneath. Yeah, very nice. Alright, these guys are done. I hit them with a little bit of Sea Dog rub from Code 3. It's a little Cajun seasoning, and made a little white Alabama barbecue sauce to dip these in. This is quite a machine, this thing. I love it. So I popped the tray in the dishwasher. This is what's left over from the wings. That's not very much grease. And again, you can just wipe that up with a paper towel, put it away, and we're ready for the next time. Alright, with that being said, I give this bad boy a 5 out of 5. If it keeps working, this thing's going to be great. It's convenient, it's easy, the food is great. Everything turns out crispy, and it takes away some of that fat. So there you go. There's my review on the Bella Pro. Hope you enjoyed.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but